I'm supposed to be cooking something completely different today, but I'm waiting for a scrag end of mutton, so it hasn't turned up. So today I'm just going to carry on with a couple more breakfast things and English breakfast. We'll see how we get on. Yeah. Okay, for a nice breakfast recipe, eggs and tomatoes. First of all, what you want to do is get yourself some really nice tomatoes, best you can get, and slice them thinly. This is from a recipe book for English breakfast from 1894. So quite a few things are different how we do them now, but I'm just going to try and follow them exactly. Okay, next thing, you've got some sliced onions. Get them sliced nice and thin, because when we come to cooking it, you're only going to have about 3 minutes, which is as long as the eggs take to pulp. And the recipe says that if you like the continental flavours, you can add a garlic clove. So let's get continental. Again, chop the garlic up nice and small, give it a good rough chop. Okay, now that's all our pre-work done. Time to get the eggs on. These are nice Burford Browns, and I bought these just this morning. As you can be able to tell shortly, they're not brilliant. Even then, at a supermarket, it could be a month before they even get onto the shelves. Okay, we've got some water on to boil. Just going to put a splash of vinegar in there. Helps with the poached eggs. One thing I would recommend before you actually add your eggs to the pan is switch the heat off. I've left it on and it's kind of destroying my egg whites a little bit, so try and remember to do it like I can't, because I'm a prat. Okay, I've got 3 minutes now before the eggs are ready. Get the onions in, fry them up nice, keep them gentle but not too gentle. Remember, you've only got 3 minutes. Once the onions have fried off a little bit, then you can throw the garlic in. Don't want to throw it in too early because you don't want it to start burning. Once you've got all the onions fried off, the garlic's all coming through nice and scented, just remove it from the pan so you can do the tomato. Okay, here we go with the tomatoes. My pan's probably a little bit hot, as you can tell. Well, not to worry, you're only going to be in there for a minute. And then what we'll do is we'll fry those off, salt and black pepper, and then we're going to add the onions back in. The only reason I didn't put the onions in is because the tomatoes wouldn't touch the bottom of the pan, that was all. Couldn't find my nice thin spatula when I was doing this, so I've got this wooden one, and tomato sticking to it. Sorry about that. Okay, I've turned the heat down on the pan now a bit, and I'm just going to warm up the onions and the tomatoes, get them nice and ready. And we're just waiting for the eggs now. Okay, time to serve and eat. Put the tomatoes on the plate, onions over the top, and then finally be able to just put the egg on top of it. Nice bit of salt and pepper, and you're ready to eat. On this occasion you won't see me eating them, because when I picked up and stopped filming and was going to eat them, I dropped them. What a pity.